Foxconn is ramping up its investments in India days after it pulled out of a marquee semiconductor deal with Vedanta. Top officials from the company have been on a whirlwind tour, meeting chief ministers of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in a span of just 2 days. While the company had already announced an 8,000 crore rupee investment in Karnataka earlier, it's reportedly willing to further open up its purse.
It's been 17 years since the world's largest contract manufacturer first stepped into India. During that period, the Taiwanese company, best known as the largest contract manufacturer for Apple and assembler of the iconic iPhone, has constantly raised its stakes in India, slowly revealing ambitious plans for the country. Even the collapse of the ambitious $19.5 billion deal with Vedanta for manufacturing of semiconductors in the country has not fazed Foxconn. In a fresh investment drive, top officials from the Taiwanese company met chief ministers of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu earlier this week. While Karnataka announced an 8,800 crore rupee deal, Tamil Nadu did not reveal an investment proposals. There is, however, talk of Foxconn setting up a new facility for high-end electronic components. The recent few months have seen a slew of investment proposals from the company. These include a $500 million proposal to manufacture wearables like Apple AirPods and generate 25,000 jobs. Next came a plan to invest 8,000 crore in Karnataka to set up a mobile manufacturing plant near Bengaluru. In June, the company also announced that it plans to build electric two-wheelers in the country. On Monday, a second investment proposal of 8,800 crore rupees was announced for Karnataka, where the company will manufacture screens and other parts for mobile handsets. In the middle of these plans, the manufacturing giant also announced plans to go ahead with its ambitious semiconductor plans, indicating that it was in talks with other giants like TSMC for a joint venture. Currently, Foxconn has manufacturing presence in Sri City in Andhra Pradesh as well as in Sri Perumbudur and Sunguvarchatram in Tamil Nadu. It also has R&D facility in Chennai and Bengaluru. Recently, there have been reports of the company ramping up its presence with new plants in Devanahalli in Karnataka and on the outskirts of Hyderabad. Meanwhile, there are reports that Foxconn is slowly losing its initial hesitancy it had towards its India plans, given the success the export of Apple iPhones has seen in the past 1 year. The company is in fact viewing India as a serious contender to de-risk its China operations. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.